Changing your verification method on Amazon Prime is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Amazon website or open the Amazon app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and List section at the top right corner. Click on your account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Login and Security. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on Login and Security. This section allows you to manage your verification methods and security settings. Step 4. Update your verification method. Look for the option related to your current verification method, such as phone number or email. Click on Edit next to the method you want to change and follow the prompts to enter your new information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your verification method, ensure you save your changes. You may need to verify the new method by entering a code sent to your new phone number or email. Once you've completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Make sure to check that everything is working correctly to ensure your account remains secure.